Read the manual and safety instructions always carefully. We advise you strongly to always wear an adapted face mask and protective glasses. Always put on the safety pin when you are not spraying paint to prevent the trigger from unintentionally being pulled. Keep your fingers outside of the tip guard and never point the gun towards another person. By spraying under pressure, toxic substances could be injected into the skin and can cause serious harm. Before you start using the unit, 1. Release the pressure by putting the pressure knob into the prime clean position. 2. Put the prime pressure valve downwards into the prime position.